Hi, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the permanent government assistant professor recruitment, and this notification has come from Madhya Pradesh. Okay, and lots of department have released the vacancy for assistant professor recruitment. So you can see here various department they have given. So we will discuss about all these notification in detail. So before going to discuss about the notification in detail, please subscribe my channel for further such kind of information. Okay, so first of all we will cover about the subject and number of posts according to the criteria or category you can see here. So subject they have mentioned biotechnology, botany, chemistry, commerce, computer science, economics, electronics, English, fisheries, geography, Hindi, history, mathematics, physics, political science, Sanskrit, sociology and zoology. So total 18 departments have vacancy here for the post of assistant professor, and number of posts they have mentioned here and category wise they have given. So according to your department you can see these information. So we will see about the notification in detail. So we'll see that from where this notification has come. So this notification has come from Pandit SN Shukla University, Sahdol, MP. Okay, and guys, you can see here they are providing academic pay level 10. Okay, so very high salary will be given here according to the pay scale 10, and reservation for women and person with disability candidates are subject to rules of the government of MP. They have mentioned here, and you can see here you have to pay the application fee of rupees 2000 for unreserved and OBC candidates, and rupees 1000 for SC/ST candidates they have mentioned. Okay, and what will be the process to apply here and what will be the eligibility criteria we will see here. Okay, so we can see here assistant professor recruitment, and the eligibility criteria like they have mentioned here: master degree with 55% marks, and net, SLET or SET will also be considered for this post. Okay, and the PhD will be also considered, and here they have mentioned for the regulation of 2009 for PhD candidates. Okay, and here important instructions they have given for the candidate who are applying in this university. Okay, so they have mentioned scale of entry pay rupees 57,700 with academic level 10. Okay, and some relaxation they will be providing according to the candidates who are SC, ST, OBC, PWD like that. So they will provide some relaxation of marks according to the MP government rules, and here the reservation rules also will be considered according to the government of Madhya Pradesh. Okay, and here you can see the application fee, and you can see the you can see here how you have to pay the application fee. So application fee is non-refundable in any condition, and it will be accepted through demand draft in the favor of Registrar Pandit SN Shukla University, Sahdol, MP, payable at HDFC main branch, Sahdol, MP, and IFC code of the bank is this one. Okay, so they have mentioned here all the details related to this notification. Okay, and one more information I will tell you, they have mentioned here the last date. So here you can see applicants ensure that their application reaches in the university on or before the last date, that is 10th December 2021. So the application process is just you have to fill the application form. Okay, they have given here the application form, you have to fill it, and you have to pay the application fee by the demand draft, and you have to attach all the documents, and after filling this you have to just post it, and this application will be reached up to 10 December 2021. Okay, so if you are interested to apply here, so just read all the information thoroughly, and then you apply. Okay, so I hope this information will be helpful for you, and thank you so much, and subscribe my channel. I will provide all the details regarding this notification in the description box. You can go through that and you can check it. Okay, so thank you so much.